Look at this photo on my phone right now. My brother is sitting on the kitchen floor, and he is eating cold pizza at 3 in the morning. Why is he doing that?
He is living his best life, Nicole. Welcome back to Peter's English Lab, everybody. Honestly, I'm doing the exact same thing sometimes when I'm hungry late at night.
You are defending him because you are lazy too. He is not just eating pizza, Peter. He is also wearing my favorite sweater, and he is spilling sauce on it.
Okay, that is a real crime. Is he answering his phone right now, or is he ignoring you?
He is ignoring my calls completely. I am typing a very angry message to him right this second.
Wait, don't send a huge message yet. What is your sister doing right now? Is she helping you with this family drama?
No, she is not helping at all. She is lying on the beach in Spain, and she is drinking fresh orange juice. She is posting photos every 10 minutes.
Must be nice. My sister is not relaxing on a beach today. She is studying for a big exam, so she is drinking her 5th cup of coffee.
Everyone is doing something interesting or annoying today, and I am just standing here talking to you. Look, my brother is sending a text now.
What is he saying? Is he apologizing for the sweater?
He is saying, I am washing the sweater right now. Stop crying. He is so mean. But wait, he is not using warm water, is he? He always ruins my clothes.
Calm down, Nicole. He is probably trying his best. Or maybe he is just making the mess bigger. Who knows?
You are not helping my stress levels today, Peter. Why are you laughing? I am suffering here.
I am laughing because you are making a huge deal out of a sweater. Right now, millions of people are dealing with real problems, and you are worrying about some pizza sauce.
It is not just some pizza sauce. It is tomato sauce on white wool. That is a national emergency. What are you doing after this podcast anyway?
I am meeting my cousin at the park. He is training for a marathon, so we are running 5 kilometers today.
You are running 5 kilometers? Are you feeling okay? You are usually sitting on the sofa and playing video games on Saturdays.
Hey, I am changing my habits this month. I am eating healthier food and I am drinking more water. I am trying to be a new man.
I don't believe you. You are holding a bag of chocolate chips in your left hand right now.
Wait, how are you noticing that? I am hiding it under the table.
I can see your reflection in the window, Peter. You are eating chocolate while you are telling me about your healthy marathon training.
Okay, fine. I am eating a small snack. Running is hard work, so I am preparing my body with sugar.
That is not how fitness works at all. You are just making excuses because you love sugar.
Maybe I am, but at least I am not crying about a sweater. Look outside the window right now. It is starting to rain.
Oh no, it is raining really hard now. My laundry is hanging outside on the balcony.
See? Now you have a real emergency. Your clothes are getting completely soaked right now.
Why are you just sitting there and watching me panic? Help me! I am running to the balcony right now.
I am standing up. I am helping you. Wait, do not trip on the microphone cable.
Okay, I am holding the wet towels now. Everything is wet, Peter. Absolutely everything is ruined today.
Look on the bright side, Nicol. The rain is washing your clothes for free. You are saving water today.
You are ridiculous. Look, my phone is ringing again. It is my mother this time.
Is she calling from her office, or is she staying at home today?
She's calling from the supermarket. She's buying vegetables for dinner, and she is asking why I am shouting.
Tell her you are fighting with the rain and your brother. She is going to love that story.
I'm telling her right now. She is laughing at me too. Why is everyone in my family laughing at my pain today?
Because you are very funny when you are angry. Look at the sky now. The sun is coming out again.
Wow, that was fast. The clouds are moving away and the birds are singing again. Weather in this city is crazy.
It really is. So, are we still recording? Or are you fixing your wet laundry now?
We are still recording, but my brain is not working anymore. I am thinking about food now because you mentioned pizza.
Now you are understanding your brother. You see? You two are actually very similar.
Do not say that. I am not eating cold pizza at 3 in the morning. I am a polite person who eats at normal times.
Right now you are staring at my bag of chocolate chips with very hungry eyes. You are planning to steal my food.
I'm not planning to steal it. I am openly taking it right now. Pass the bag over here, Peter.
Hey! You are taking my marathon fuel. I'm running in 2 hours, remember?
You are not running anywhere today, Peter. You are sitting here with me, and we are eating these chocolate chips together.
You know what? You are right. I am sitting here and I am enjoying this snack. The marathon can wait until next week.
That is the Peter I know. Look, my brother is sending another photo right now.
Oh no, what is he doing now? Is he burning the kitchen down?
No, he is actually wearing a chef hat, and he is making fresh pancakes for me. He is saying, I am bringing breakfast to your apartment.
Wow, see? He is not a monster after all. He is making peace offerings with food.
I am feeling a little bit guilty now. I'm sitting here complaining about him, and he is cooking delicious pancakes for me.
That is how family works. 1 minute you are hating them, and the next minute they are giving you sweet food.
Exactly. Now I am waiting by the door like a hungry dog. I am listening for his car outside.
Is he driving your car, or is he taking his own car today?
He is driving my car, of course. Wait, why is my car alarm making that loud noise outside right now?
Uh-oh. Is he parking your car near the tree right now?
He is pushing the wrong buttons on the key. He is turning on the panic alarm. Everyone in the street is looking at him.
He is standing next to the car and waving at the neighbors. That is actually amazing.
He is waving at people while the car is screaming. I am opening the window right now to shout at him.
Please do not drop your phone out the window while you are shouting at your brother.
Samuel, turn off the alarm right now! You're waking up the whole neighborhood!
Nicole, he cannot hear you through the closed glass. He is just smiling and waving at you now.
He thinks I am saying hello. He is holding the plate of pancakes in one hand, and he is trying to stop the alarm with his elbow.
This is better than watching a movie on television. I am really enjoying my morning right now.
He is running up the stairs now. I can hear his heavy shoes on the floor outside the door.
Quick, act normal. Pretend you are not angry about the sweater or the car alarm.
I am sitting down, and I am looking calm. I am holding a coffee cup, so I look peaceful.
You are acting very badly, Nicole. Your hands are shaking, and you are staring at the door like a tiger.
I am not a tiger. I am a hungry sister. The door handle is turning right now.
Here comes the pancake delivery. Is he smiling or is he looking scared?
He is smiling, and he is holding a huge plate of hot pancakes with strawberries on top.
Okay, I am changing my opinion. Your brother is officially the best person in the world today.
The pancakes are smelling incredible. I am forgiving him for everything right now.
Are you sharing those pancakes with me, or am I running that 5-kilometer race alone now?
I am giving you one pancake because you are supporting me through this crazy morning.
Only one pancake? I am starving here, Nicole. I am suffering too.
Fine, you are getting 2 pancakes, but only if you are helping me wash the sweater later.
Deal. I'm getting the plates right now. Is your brother joining us for coffee too?
Yes, he is sitting down at our table right now, and he is reaching for the chocolate chips.
Hey, those are my marathon chocolate chips. Nobody is eating those except me.
Welcome to my world, Peter. Now you are understanding how it feels when people take your things.
I am learning a very valuable lesson today. People are constantly testing my patience in this room.
Life is happening around us, Peter. We are just trying to survive it and eat some breakfast.
Well, right now I am putting a pancake on my plate and I am forgetting about all my problems.
Me too. I am taking a big bite right now, and honestly, everything is perfect.